right, you guys, so we're enjoying our Saturday. This is Father's Day weekend, and we're just enjoying ourselves again in another flea market. And this place here has like a whole bunch of food trucks, so we'll show you like different food trucks around the world, different foods. Yeah, and we have to, like always, we always wear a mask anyway, but now it's like mandatory to wear a mask in Florida. So there you go. All right, so thank you again for following us, for supporting us. If you have not hit the like button, please hit like, please hit subscribe, and the notification button as well. Okay, so here we are, the food trucks. And here is the flea market. We're going to investigate this first, and then we're going to head out to the food trucks. Supposedly they're real gator heads, Joel. Look at all this delicious food, you guys. But guess what? They're magnets. No lie, we had to like run. Like I'm so oily and stuff because it's extremely hot, and I'm wearing like black shirt. And me and Joel with the mask, you can't even breathe. I don't even know what temperature is here today in Orlando, but it's like hot, like extremely hot, right? I don't know if you guys could see Julie is like, her cheeks are so red. So we had to run into the car. James is getting the food from the food trucks. There are so many food trucks. It seems like the majority of the food trucks are Hispanic food trucks. So they're like either Dominican or Puerto Rican food trucks.
And I saw like hot dogs and burgers, and that's Americans.
Right, but weren't they closed? I know for sure the pizza food truck was closed, which Joel was excited about, but was closed. And then they had like ice cream trucks. Oh my God, they had stuffed churros. They had like a lot of good desserts. So we left James there. He's ordering the food. I really thought I was gonna pass out with the mask. I don't know how people are doing it, like going out and when there's no like shading. It's really hot. So I told James I'm just gonna run back into the car, right? So we left him. He's doing fine. He called us to check up on us. And then I even moved the car, and I moved it to a shady area, like with the tree shades. Not shady as in like suspicious, but just with shade. But yeah, so we're just here, just relaxing, and we'll keep you guys updated. All right, so when the food arrives, hopefully I don't forget, and I'll record that so you guys can see the food. It was so loud also. I'm gonna have to mute the music of the food trucks because there was a bunch of, you know, music
And
everywhere.
it may be copyrighted.
Well, yeah, so we're gonna have to block that out, but yeah. All right, you guys, James just passed by. He brought Sprite for us to drink, a Sprite, because these kids were like super thirsty. And then show them, you can see his cheese fries. Can you show it? Cheese fries. So he's enjoying that and sharing it with Julie. So yeah, and then he also brought bacaladitos, which is fried codfish. And let me show you guys real quick. I'm not eating anything yet until he comes because this is to share with him. But this is the fried codfish, which is called bacaladito. And you know, Puerto Ricans eat it, Cubans eat it. I mean, I think Trinidad folks, I think every island pretty much that, you know, fishes does bacaladito, which is just fried codfish with batter. And it's really good. So if you have not tried this, definitely do it. And it's so easy to make. I could actually do one of those videos for you guys to see. Easy to make, and it's super good. But yeah, so really good. Okay, so as more items come in, I'll show you guys, but this is it, and the cheese fries for now. James went back out there in the heat. It's so hot. All right, talk to you guys. So we all had his cheese fries like I showed you, and we had the bacaladitos. They were really good. And now James came back with the burgers and the fries that we're all gonna share. So what is it that yours have? Yours has fries?
Mine has fries, bacon, and some other stuff.
It's an AC.
Yeah. So it has fries. You have a look there.
Well,
It's called a
is there a
monster
way
burger. Monster burger.
to...
Some fries and sauce.
Is there an egg there? I think it has a fried egg.
Yeah.
It has like a fried egg, and then mine's, I guess, has the same stuff. It looks like it has a fried egg too.
These have the plantains in it.
Oh, and it has bacon. Mine says bacon because you could see the bacon in there. So you have plantains in there?
Yeah, I have plantains, egg.
So he has plantains. I don't know how many times
Yours
we
has
say
some,
plantains.
right.
Yeah, there's an egg. There's an egg definitely there. Bacon, the meat patty, lettuce, and tomato, and then the lovely fries. So yeah,
Monster
and
Bites.
it's called Monster Bites, the food truck. It says Monster Lovers. So yeah, we'll try it out. So yeah, and look at John. I just took my first bite, and all I got was bread and the little potato fries.
There you go.
But it was good. There goes James attempting. The burger is huge. Oh, but he got meat. I didn't get nothing. It's good? Yep, he's speechless. That's good. Alright, you guys. So the burgers were delicious. And actually, I only ate like less than half of my burger because, I mean, it was huge. So I put that away, and James says he'll eat that later. I mean, it was huge. Like, it was stuffed. Like, a lot of stuff. So, yeah. And then James has a sweet tooth now. So now he ran out to get some stuffed churros. So I'll show you that too. We'll be rolling, guys. We'll be rolling. And then after this, I think we're just gonna like just chill and hang out at Disney Springs. Walk around.
Yes, sir.
Check that out. Yeah, Joel's excited because he loves he likes Disney Springs. He enjoys walking around. Hopefully it's not gonna be with this tremendous heat, because the good thing about Disney Springs is that you could run into a store and take refuge and get that AC. I was trying to say this, that I was in really bad shape. I was in such extreme heat that because you know when you're wearing your mask, you know you're breathing out that nasty carbon monoxide or whatever it is, right? And then you're pretty much inhaling it back, like breathing it in again, you know. So I was like, I probably said that wrong, but whatever. Either way is that I was lightheaded and I was getting disoriented at the same time. And even Joel was feeling kind of bad because it was like massive heat was just shining on us, and I couldn't bear it anymore, and I had to go to the car. I was so disoriented a bit that I couldn't even find my car in the parking lot, and I was with Julie and Joel because James stayed behind us. Remember when I was telling you that he was placing the orders? But I did find my car, and I did manage to get the AC going. Excuse me, I did manage to get the AC going and move the car to get some shade. So it was crazy, but now I feel so much better. I feel so much better. So yeah, so guys, please take care of yourselves. If you guys are going out and you know you're in an area where the heat is unbearable, carry water with you. I know that with masks it's kind of hard, but hopefully you have a straw or something. Keep yourself hydrated as much as possible, and avoid big crowds and all that stuff. We try to stay away from all that and everything. So alright, so again, I'll show you the churros. Churros are fried dough. I've done a previous video on it where I actually did it in my air fryer. You need to check out that video, guys. Super delicious, easy to make, but yeah, so these are gonna be fabulous, I know it. Okay, talk to you later. So I completely forgot to vlog the churros, the fried dough donut thingy. And like I said, now we're in Disney Springs. We just got out of the parking garage. Well, we're in the parking garage heading into Disney Springs. So yeah. Press 2. We're not going nowhere. Okay, I'll do it. There you go. I use my knuckle. So whoa, going up. Julie, we're going to Disney Springs. Woo!
Look, it's moving.
Yeah. Oh, wait, we're here. look at that. That's so beautiful. It makes you want to be in the water, right? Doesn't it want to make you like dive in there? Oh my God, it's so hot and that water looks so refreshing. It's a fountain, but like you want to dive in,
I know.
right? So good.
Coca-Cola store. And like I showed you, the pandas. I forgot to introduce you to the Coca-Cola store. And yeah.
Look, but look, his brain, like it opened up. I thought it was a cookie jar, but no, it's a mug.
Panda. Oh look, these are like little. I don't know if they're like little or something, but it's you. I got the big bowl. People. Some like plushy drinks and something. This guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy. Oh look, what's it called? Guys, this is really cute. The Coca-Cola. Oh, that's so cool. And then another one with the kid and the panda. This is like comic with like Coca-Colas. And then like a lunch. Oh, now it's hiding. There he is. Oh, look. Now he's there. We're just walking and then see if there's cool stuff to keep you entertained. And yeah. Like a media to you.
It's a hot air balloon.
Yeah.
Hey, that's so close to my face.
What his name is? He's purple. And that. This guy. Oh. Something just fell on me. Who was that? You. Okay, I'm showing you these guys. These look at little mouses. Oh. Look at that's a fantasy. Look at there. Oh, little plushies. She's all like tied up. What's up? That looks like cute and no. This looks like a galaxy thing. This is supernova. Look, guys. Guys. Aww. No sinners. Is this so creepy? Like, it kind of looks.
So this restaurant is also has a gift shop. Food is amazing. I'll take you inside so you guys can take a peek. Okay, you guys, so like this heat is killing me, and James and Joelle, so we have to head back to the car. So I'll see you in the car. Thank you guys so much for joining us. It was too hot. We all had to like cool down. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Thank you so much for joining our journey. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.